Item number 407. Concrete encasement, cradles, saddles and collars. 407. 1. Description. This item shall govern for placing concrete encasements, cradles, saddles and collars, when called for by the plans, or as directed by the engineer. 407. 2. Materials. Concrete. All concrete shall conform to the provisions of item number 300, concrete, Class B, or shall be of the class as noted on the plans. Backfill on top of concrete shall not begin until concrete has achieved 80% of the minimum design strength. 407. 3. Construction methods. 1. Concrete encasement. When concrete encasement is shown on the plans or when directed by the engineer, the trench shall be excavated and fine graded to depth conforming to details and sections shown on the plans. The pipe shall be supported by precast concrete blocks of the same strength as the concrete for encasement and securely tied down to prevent flotation. Encasement shall then be placed with a minimum concrete thickness of 6 inches, 6, in any direction from the outside diameter of the pipe. 2. Concrete cradles. When concrete cradles are shown on the plans or when called for by the engineer, the trench shall be prepared and the pipe supported in the same manner as described in paragraph 407 3,1 of this specification and shall be constructed in accordance with details and sections shown on the plans. Straps/tie downs shall be of number 4 rebar diameter minimum or better as determined by SARA inspector. 3. Concrete saddles. When shown on the plans or when directed by the engineer, pipe to receive concrete saddle shall be backfilled in accordance with item number 400, excavation, trenching and backfill to the spring line and concrete placed for a minimum depth and width clearance of 6 inches, 6, around the pipe. 4. Concrete collars. When shown on the plans or when directed by the engineer, concrete collars shall be constructed with a minimum concrete thickness of 6 inches, 6, in any direction from the outside diameter of the pipe and with a minimum length of 2 feet, 2. 407. 4. Measurement. Except when said items are subsidiary to other pay items, concrete encasement, cradles, saddles, and collars will be measured by the cubic yard of accepted work, complete in place. Reinforcing, if required, shall not be measured for payment. 407. 5. Payment. Except when said items are subsidiary to other pay items, concrete encasement, cradles, saddles, and collars will be paid for at the unit price bid per cubic yard, which price shall be full compensation for the work specified. No separate payment will be made for any items of work, materials, parts, equipment, supplies, or related items required to perform and complete the requirements of this section for construction of cradles, saddles, and collars. The costs for all such items required shall be considered subsidiary to other items of this contract and shall not be paid for separately.